Can Bitcoin make you rich? Will buying Bitcoin today turn you into a millionaire tomorrow? Or is that just hype? This is one of the most common and misunderstood questions beginners ask. So today we'll talk honestly and calmly about what Bitcoin can do and what it cannot do. No hype, no promises, just realistic expectations. And remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. Before answering the questions, we need to define something. What does rich even mean? For some people, it means quitting their job. For others, it means financial security. And for many beginners, it simply means not losing purchasing power over time. Bitcoin doesn't guarantee instant wealth, but it offers something very different from traditional money. Bitcoin has made some people very rich, especially early adopters. But there's a big difference between buying Bitcoin in 2011 and buying Bitcoin today. Those massive 1000x gains happened when Bitcoin was tiny and unknown. Today, Bitcoin is more mature. That means lower risk, but also more realistic returns. So if someone promises you easy riches, that's usually a red flag. Bitcoin shines in three main areas. First, long-term value preservation. Bitcoin is scarce. There will only ever be 21 million. Second, protection from money printing. While governments can print more money, Bitcoin's supply is fixed. Third, financial sovereignty. You can hold it yourself without permission. These qualities don't scream, "get rich quick." They whisper, "think long term." Ironically, people don't lose money because Bitcoin fails. They lose money because of behavior. Buying at the top, panic selling during crashes, chasing hype, expecting fast profits. Bitcoin rewards patience, not impatience. Instead of asking, "Can Bitcoin make us rich?" a better question is, "Can Bitcoin help us avoid getting poorer over time?" Many people use Bitcoin as a long-term savings tool, a hedge against inflation, a small but consistent part of their portfolio. That mindset is far healthier and more sustainable. Here's the honest answer. Bitcoin can increase wealth over time, but it won't magically solve money problems. And it doesn't replace discipline, patience, or learning. Bitcoin is a tool, not a lottery ticket. If you're new to Bitcoin, focus on understanding it first. Then think long-term. And most importantly, stay calm. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to Block and Learn. We break Bitcoin down so even a 5-year-old can understand it.